If you've ever struggled with marketing your HVAC business, you're not alone. This industry has unique challenges that generic strategies often fail to address. For example, did you know that 44% of homeowners still don't research contractors online? This shows us a massive, untapped opportunity to reach out to offline audiences. Also, marketing for HVAC requires a seasonal touch. Strategies need to be realigned based on the time of the year. Ignoring these trends can lead to missed business opportunities and increased seasonal downtimes.